In this lecture, we will be going to install Besu on Linux environment. For this demonstration, I am using Ubuntu OS. So to start the installation, head back to the browser and visit besu.hyperledger.org, and there go to How to section and then get started with Besu, and inside that go to install Besu, and there you can see install binary distribution. Just click on this, and here we can see steps for Linux and Unix. Now below you can find the link which says package binary. Just open this link, and here we will be going to use the stable version. So we will be going to use version 20.10.4, and if you scroll down you can find the download link. So just copy this link and head back to the terminal, and there, so let me create the directory first, mkdir Hyperledger Besu, and then we can download it using wget tool. So write wget and then the URL that we just copied, and now the binary is downloading. So the binary has downloaded. I can verify that using ls command, and here we can see Besu zip file. Now we can copy this zip file to the appropriate folder. So if I do ls here, I can see the files, and now we can just unzip this file. Now let's rename this to something more relevant. So the directory has been renamed successfully, and now if I go inside the Besu directory, I can see libs and binary folder, and inside this binary folder we have our Besu binary. So now if I do ls bin, I can see the Besu binary here. Now we can verify the Besu binary version using the command /bin, then Besu, and then ---- version, and here we can see that we got the Besu version. And make sure you have JDK installed already into your machine. So that's all for this lecture. I will see you in the next one.